Today we're going to go back and review 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication with factors of 4. We're going to continue to use the area model as our method of solving, but we're also going to incorporate other strategies such as using known facts and counting on or back to help us solve. I'm also going to provide you with some graph paper to help you organize your partial products. So looking at my first problem, I have 94 times 57. Notice that I already have my area model drawn. I'm going to label my model as I decompose each number. I'm going to decompose 94 into tens and ones. 94 has 9 tens and 4 ones. I can write this in expanded form like this, 90 plus 4. I'm going to use that to label the top portion of my model. And next I'm going to decompose 47 into tens and ones. 47 has 4 tens and 7 ones. In an expanded form, it's going to look like this, 40 plus 7. Now that I have my numbers decomposed and my model labeled, I'm going to start multiplying. I'm going to use the distributive property and multiply 40 times each number on the top row of the model. As I multiply, I'm going to write the number, the product in each box. All right, so first I have 40 times 9. I'm going to use the facts that I know to solve 4 times 9. I know that 4 times 10 is 40. And I know that I can take a group of 4 away from 40. And I'm going to use that as a subtraction problem. Do 40 take away 4. And that'll give me 36. So 4 times 9 is going to be 36. Well, I know that 40 is 10 times 4. So I need to multiply 36 times 10, and that will give me 360. Well, I also know that 90 is 10 times 9, so I need to multiply 360 times 10 to get 3,600. So 40 times 90 is going to be 3,600. I'm going to write that in this box here. Next, I'm going to multiply 40 times 4. I'm going to use facts that I know to help me solve 4 times 4. I know that 4 times 5 is 20. And I can take 20 and subtract a group of 4 because I only need 4 groups. And that's going to give me 16. So I know that 4 times 4 is 16. So I need to multiply 16 times 10 because 40 is 10 times more than 4. 16 times 10 is going to give me 160. And I'm going to write that in this box here. All right, now I need to move on to distributing my 7 to the top row of my model. So 7 times 90. I need to find a fact to multiply that I know because I don't know 7 times 90. So a fact that I do know is, let's see, a fact that I do know is 7 times 10, and 7 times 10 will give me 70. And I know that 10 is one more group of 7 before 9, so I can subtract 70, take away 9, and that will give me 63. So 7 times 9 is going to give me a product of 63. Well, I need to, now I know that 90 is 10 times more than 9, and I can multiply the 63 times 10 to get 630. And I can write that partial product in this box here. Now I need to multiply my 1, 7 times 4, and I do not know, or if you do not know what 7 times 4 is, you can multiply, if you know your facts of 5, 7 times 5 to get 35. And then you can also subtract a group of 7 from 35, and that will help you get the answer or product to 7 times 4. All right, so 7 times 4 is, or 35 take away 7 is 28. That means 7 times 4 is 28. And I'm going to write that product here in this box. Now I have a total of 4 partial products, and I need to add these all together to get my final product of 94 times 47. I have a place value chart here, and this is going to help me organize each of my products. I'm going to start with 3,600. 3,600 has 3,000s, 600s, there's 0 tens and 0 ones. Next, I have 160. 160 has 100, 6 tens, and 0 ones. And next, I have 630. 600s and 30 tens. And then my last product is 28, which is 2 tens and 8 ones. Now these blocks will help me organize my numbers. That way I know that they are all aligned correctly. And I'm going to add these all together. All my ones, I have just one group here, and it's 8. My tens, I have 6 tens, 3 tens, and 2 tens. And this is going to give me 11. And I'm going to put here and then regroup my 1 up here. I have 600s plus 100s plus 600s plus another 1. And that's going to give me 12, 13, 14. And then I need to regroup that 1 here. And then 3,000s plus 1,000 is going to be 4. My final product for 94 times 47 is 4,418.